In this video, we will show you how to become a copy trading follower. In your CXM accounts menu, click on the Copy Trading Ranking option. You can see and find providers using the top search bar or filter by returns, profits, ratings, and other relevant indicators. Click on the selected provider and then choose Invest. You will be redirected to the social trading platform. Enter your credentials, carefully review and accept the terms and conditions, and click on Register. Set up your account and select your preferred settings, including the direction, minimum and maximum lots, and save changes. Your subscription strategy is customizable depending on your preferred volume, compared value, ratio multiplier, copy direction, and small volumes handling. Make sure you know what every setting means by reading the descriptions below. You can also choose how you manage risk. CXM's copy trading platform allows you to control when you want to suspend or unsubscribe if a certain total loss, total profit, or a floating loss is reached, and also decide what will be done with the open positions when you choose to do so. If you're comfortable with all your settings, click on Activate in the upper right side.